Guys. Guys. I reached 1K subscribers. What? Thank you so much, y'all. Where are you going? So today is Sunday.
First Sunday.
Yep. Tomorrow our classes start, so we're like getting lost, but trying to find our classes.
We're walking to our classes. It's going okay, but it's very hot.
It's so I think it's not really humid. It's just really hot.
Sticky.
Yeah. See ya.
Vlogging again?
I think ours should skip classes.
Yeah.
We can't find this
away.
class. Where are we going?
We're going to No wait, where are we going? I don't even know.
Angle Hall, right?
Yeah, we're
For
going
what
to
classes? Oh, you can cut through.
We're going to Econ. What is this place?
You know, this is end of Virginia Tech.
Is that West Campus
Oh,
Drive?
there's a person.
You know what? Google Maps.
Why does this look so sketchy to me? Very lost.
Angle Hall, Virginia Tech.
Guys, I just came back from my first class and I'm really loving the professor. I only had one class today though, and I think it'll be great actually because the teacher is so chill. I think amount of work is a lot though, which I'm really worried about, but whatever. First day was great. I only have one class today. I have 2 classes tomorrow, so but yay. Hey guys, so my dorm is ready and I'm going to show you guys the final done tour, I guess. First of all, it's a mess in here because we had 8 AM class today, so we didn't have time to really clean up or anything, but this is college. I have no moms to yell at me, so I'm just gonna keep it real here. But yeah, so I guess without further ado, let's get started. Over here we have a door, and to the right of that is my mirror. Oh, can we talk about this Supreme way? Oh my god, so cute. We had it customized from our school, like our college had this like event where they customized like this platform, so it's really nice. And then there's a light here. Okay, so this is my mirror. Then I have some shoes here. Oh, by the way, this mirror is from IKEA. And then we have a bed here, which is a mess. I had 8 AM class once again. Okay. This is from Tommy Hilfiger. I absolutely love it. It's super thick, but I just love thick blankets. I got this body pillow from Target for $7. It's amazing, right? It was on sale. Then I have a little like light in case I need to turn off the light. You know, like, I don't know, the switch is too far, so I just use that as like my nightstand light. And then below this bed, I have 2 drawers of food and plates and stuff. It's really messy. I really don't want to show you, but yeah. And then we have mini vacuum cleaner, which doesn't really work very well, but it's fine. Then to the left of it, we have my black ottoman, and I love this stuff. It's from Bed Bath & Beyond, I think. Yeah. So yeah, this was around $16 with the coupon that I had, and I just love it. I put my cords and stuff in here because it's messy. And then this carpet we have is from IKEA. Over here we have my desk, and let's talk about this shelf first. So this is my little like light here, and then I have my jewelry holder back from home. Then I have my Polaroid here and be happy sign. This lights up. Let me find the switch. Ta-da! This is from Five Below actually. Surprising, right? And then I have a little diary here that I write occasionally. And then here I have like bring bread to Kevin's house, and it's random. I have Morning Brew, which is like a news article I have to read every single day for my business class. Here I just have my pencil holders and brushes and stuff. And I got this from Target because they were having like VT Target like event, and they just gave out free stuff. This is called Poopery, and basically what this is before you poop, you spray this in the toilet, and then you just do your business, and your stall wouldn't smell so bad. So yeah, this is a sample, and it's really good actually. Then here we have my lip balm and sticky note, and we have tissue boxes here, and then my earbuds, and then just like books and textbooks. And then over here I just have my vitamins because I get sick super often, so I just need to take my vitamins. And then here I have my phone, my sociology textbook, and notebooks, and another textbook. Textbooks are so expensive, you guys. Over here we have this like mini like picture frame thing here. If you guys recognize this is from the Daiso video that I did. It was $1, so great deal. I miss my family and my Lulu. So moving on, we have a backpack here and a chair. This chair is actually really weird. It's like a normal chair, but it's also a rocking chair. So sometimes it scares me. Here we have my drawer, I guess, and it's not really organized, but I have like sticky notes, calculator, etc. This one is even mess, but it's like utilities, I guess. And then here is like feminine products, masks, and floss and whatnot. So from the left of the door, we have my closet. Let's start off here. I have my Nike duffel bag, things I'm gonna bring back home because I don't really need these stuff. And then I have a treasure box, and I just keep my pictures and stuff that I got from Virginia Tech. And then here's my like pills, oil, contacts, and whatever like medical stuff. And then over here is my shower caddy. Down here is my actual clothes, and I have a lot of clothes. We need a lot of outerwear, especially raincoats, because the weather here is very bipolar. And then here I just have few bags. Ta-da! Down here we have the drawer, and fun fact, I had to literally do this because it opens up automatically. It's very annoying, but I basically have like undies here. I'm not gonna show you that. And then down here is the same thing. We have same issues. It just opens up automatically. It's really weird. But I have a lot of pair of denims and skirts and shorts. Gotta do this thing. Very annoying. And then here we have my workout clothes, my sports bras, and my PJs and stuff. Over here we have my textbook I need to return. And then on the side is my drying rack. So from the left of that is my vanity sink. Lights up. Here and on is my stuff. It's really messy, but this is not really interesting, you guys. My towel here, this is Aura's. Very neat. And then below is a cabinet. Just not very interesting, you guys. College stuff. And this side is Aura's. I'll just briefly show you because I don't want to go in detail about her stuff. We have a fridge and a microwave. Aura also has a mirror here. Her bed is really put together. Oh, her sign says hibernating. And this is her desk. So that was it for this video. I hope you liked it. It was so random. It was really hard to film, especially like the first day of school because everyone was just kind of getting lost. The school is huge. I was getting lost, so I needed my phone to, you know, use the map and stuff to get to my classes. So yeah, sorry this video is a little bit of a mess, but I hope you liked it. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for 1.2k.